Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're tackling a super practical topic: how to send Solana from Binance to Revolut in 2025. If you're into crypto, you know how important it is to move your assets securely and efficiently. Whether you're building your portfolio or just cashing out, this step-by-step guide will make the process a breeze. Let's dive right in. First things first, make sure you have accounts set up on both Binance and Revolut. Double-check that your Revolut account supports Solana. It's a fast-growing feature, especially by 2025. Start by logging into your Binance account. Head over to the Wallet section and select Spot Wallet or Funding Wallet to access your Solana holdings. Next, click on Withdraw next to your Solana balance. You'll need to enter the wallet address from your Revolut app. Pro tip: in Revolut, go to your crypto section, select Solana, and copy the address. Make sure it's the correct one to avoid any mishaps. Also, confirm the network. It should be the Solana network, as using the wrong one could lead to lost funds. Now, enter the amount you want to send. Binance will show you the withdrawal fee, which might be around 0.1% or a flat fee, depending on 2025 rates. Keep an eye on that to avoid surprises. Review all the details, then hit Confirm. You'll get a confirmation email or notification, and the transaction will process on the Solana blockchain, which is lightning fast, usually under a minute. Once it's done, check your Revolut app to see your Solana arrive. If you run into issues, like delays or errors, contact Binance or Revolut support quickly. Remember, crypto transactions are irreversible, so always verify everything twice. There you have it. Sending Solana from Binance to Revolut is straightforward once you know the steps. This method keeps your assets moving smoothly in the evolving crypto world of 2025. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more guides, and drop a comment if you have questions. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.